Keep singing.
No.
Come on, dude. People want to hear your lovely voice.
So we got some U-joints here. We got some plugs.
The next day.
No one like, dude. All right, just do a beatbox. Get it out of your system. You've been doing it all day.
I only do it to bother you, though.
You've been doing it bullshit. You do that all the time.
No, I don't.
Go ahead, do it. Just do one. What is this here?
Oh wait, I need that. Ooh, yes. Oh, it's all dry. I hurt myself.
Can I stop recording now? All right, gaskets on. Indian head gaskets on. See ya.
The water pump is on, tore it down, everything is good. Before I put this pulley on, I actually just want to paint it just because it's kind of faded. I just took a wire wheel to it, cleaned it off.
You paint that.
Can you come film it?
No, it's too hot out there.
What? Come on.
I'm sweating just sitting.
Come on, friend.
You got your FEF plate.
Okay, so now that I just got done painting it, I put it on Tommy's trailer box and let it dry.
Soon to be your trailer box.
So I'm gonna put.
Soon to be Rudnick's trailer box.
So
that's not included, by the way.
Shut the fuck up if I get it. Yes, it is.
It's not included.
No, it is included because you broke my PZV valve.
No, I didn't break the valve.
You broke the fucking hose. Whatever.
Rubber hose.
Okay, well I'm putting the power steering pump on. I'm putting the lower radiator hose on. I'm gonna connect this, whatever the fuck this thing is. What is this, dude? Can you tell me what this is? What?
When are we going off-roading today?
I can't drive.
I can.
Oh wait, you own some land in Kent, right? I can drive there.
Yeah, you can drive.
Like, can I drive in your land?
Yeah.
That's legal.
Yeah, it's not on.
I mean,
like little kids can drive on farms.
Yeah, because you just got some land, so I'll just go on that. I mean, if I finish this time, yeah. Alright, so I was about to put the bracket in, realized that it looked like this and looked like shit, and I figured I'd already painted everything else, so might as well paint this too. I'm not zinc plating shit, dude.
Powder coat it.
I'm trying to get my shit done today.
Trying. So we can go wheeling?
Hopefully.
Rolling?
Alright, so it's been about half an hour since I painted everything, and it's honestly about like 95 degrees out right now, so I think everything's good. I painted this. I got this right here, which is probably super, yeah, this is good. It's not even sticky or anything. That's a little sticky. That's very sticky. So I'm gonna leave these two out right now. I'm gonna go put this on and then come back for those. So shout out to Dom over here for finding me a hose. Hey Dom, where'd you find this hose?
What hose?
The hose for the PCV.
I don't know.
Better tell me before somebody gets hurt.
Well, dude, all you gotta know is your hose, and that's it.
What car was it?
Thanks for it, man.
I need to know the car.
You're awesome, S15.
No, bullshit.
Okay.
If it's on the S15, everyone's getting karate chopped in the throat.
So, I mean, I don't really have to worry about my PCV valve anymore. Dom took care of that for me.
That's junk.
Okay, cool.
What is it from?
The S50?
Yeah, what part? What part of the S15?
I don't know. It was a rubber thing with a AN hose on it.
Yeah, it was junk.
Oh, it was one of those. Yeah, those are junk. They're going in the garbage.
Thanks, man.
I'll give them to any poor little loser like
Let's
you.
play Knuckles. Ready?
Okay.
No, what is that? Stop. Okay, you're done. Get away from me. All right, guys, so the Jeep is now finished. I've kind of been letting it sit out here. I have no idea why, but I've been pouring coolant in it, and like every single time I pour it, it just keeps overflowing, and then it has to suck back down, keeps overflowing. Like, you can't just constantly pour it in, and it was super annoying. It literally took like 10 minutes to fill up this radiator, probably because it goes like that, and then all the way forward and then down, so it probably gets like clogged, whatever. But it's good, everything's bubbled out, it's all bled, it's not overheating, it's right in the middle, AC's cranking. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take it around the parking lot, see how it does. I mean, I know it's gonna be good now, and I need to move it so I can check for leaks also. So I drove it around the parking lot a few times. I don't know why, but it's sitting a little above half. Right there. I bled it and everything right. Nothing's leaking. I don't know if that's normal. Desanti did say these run pretty hot, but I mean, I don't think he meant over half. I've never really seen a car that just runs over half normally. But I mean, I'm driving around, feels good. It's actually kind of peppy. Like she gets down, dude. This is a good competitor for the 135, I think. Fucking supercharger, be good to go. But I mean, I'm kind of having fun driving around the parking lot. This is about the only thing I can really do. Because if I go, oh, speaking of which, my license, yes. I lost my license. I called my lawyer today. I explained the whole situation. And he even said himself, he was like, yeah, when they told you you lost your license, it was from when we left that courthouse until 7 days after. My court date was May 29th. So from May 29th, 7 days after that, which was June 6th, I should have got my license back, which I did because I got pulled over 2 weeks ago for my exhaust too loud. I got a $300 ticket, and he didn't say anything about my license. And they re-suspended it, or maybe it was delayed. The DMV must have fucked up or something, and they suspended it on the 15th. Lawyer's kind of pissed about it because it's bullshit. Like, I should be able to drive right now. It's literally a DMV error. Instead of 1 week, it's 2 weeks because I couldn't drive from May 29th to June 6th, and now I can't drive from June 15th to June 23rd, however long a week is. But this is starting to go down. I don't really know. I kind of just want to keep driving it until it gets down in the middle, but I'm fucking pissed. Of course this would happen to me, right? Like, it's just super annoying. I think my lawyer said I might not even have to go to court on the 25th. He said he's going to take care of it, which is really nice. And it's fucked, man. Like, it fucked up a lot of plans of mine, and it's literally not my fault, and there's nothing I can do about it because, like, legally I should be allowed to drive, but if I get pulled over again, obviously the cops don't know the DMV fucked up. So, like, me just saying, yeah, the DMV messed up, my license isn't really suspended, surprise, they're gonna be like, yeah, fuck you, we're towing your car. So it wouldn't really work out too well. So I guess I just can't drive. So I'm gonna keep making laps around the parking lot. And it's to half. So that's cool. Maybe because I let it idle. It was literally idling for 20 minutes, so maybe that was the reason, but I don't really know. I'm gonna keep driving because I'm having fun. This is the only thing I can do. So for the first time in my life, everything today is going pretty smoothly. This thing, it's up and running, no leaks, no problems. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna be pulling the oil pan down. I'm gonna do the rear main seal, do the oil pan gasket. If I have time, I'm gonna start on some U-joints, but Stone Bag over here took a trip up to the Rod Knock Mod Shop, and this is probably, here, hold on. This is definitely hands down the best fender roller job I've ever seen in my life. No cracks, no nothing. It's flush, everything is good. This fender roller is actually coming in clutch, dude. How stoked are you?
I'm stoked. I didn't think it was going to work at first. I thought we were going to have to break out the block and the hammer.
Yeah, which would have sucked, but this actually turned out very well. So he actually got his wheels on, which is really cool. We only have to roll the back two. The front two doesn't rub at all. And this side's done. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna put, actually we're not gonna put the wheel on because we gotta put the extended lugs on. We're gonna put the fender roller on the other side. We're gonna roll the other side and then put all his extended lugs on. Then you guys can see how it sits. It looks sick.
I said it's getting hot in here, so hot, so take off all your clothes.
I am getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes off.
Oh, it's getting hot in here, so hot, so take off all your clothes.
How was that, dude?
It was worth every bit.
Yeah?
I'm exhausted.
This thing's definitely not gonna rub now, for sure.
I hope so.
They're all flush. Let's see if I can. Right here, chipped. That's not the fender roller's fault. Devin,
That's me.
when he put the wheels on, he hammered that out, so that's why that's chipped. But, I mean, other than that, it came out really, really good. You happy? Spotlight's on you.
Not yet.
Not yet?
I'm not happy yet.
Once it's not rubbing, will you be happy?
When I can put it in reverse.
Let me see your happy dance.
My happy dance?
Yeah, go over
You
there.
can't do that yet.
No, I want to see the happy dance. I can't wait. He said once he's done rolling, the happy dance is coming, but he didn't know what it was.
I'm on the spot right now.
Go ahead, just do it. Whatever.
Improv.
3, 2, 1, go. About to run out of memory.
Do a little. You gotta do it with the arms. Yeah.
I don't even know what's going on. That was a weak happy dance, dude. Cut. All right, so before we put Devin's extended lugs on and put his wheels back on, we need to go get some blue Loctite. We're testing out the Jeep. Too bad I can't fucking drive my own car. You feel the pep, dude? She kind of cranks.
Not really.
Fuck
And
you,
of course,
dude.
your gas light just came on. You're like past E.
Am I? Oh shit. Wanna go to the gas station too?
Yeah, perfect. Why not?
Awesome. So the Jeep made it back. Everything is good with that. Runs and drives mint. AC is ice cold. I told you guys yesterday that something was going down. I know you're gonna be stoked about this because I'm fucking super stoked. I told you we were working on this, and I wasn't lying. Ready for this? Getting close. Get hyped. So Stonebag just finished his extended lugs. How do you like them?
They look a lot better.
They do look a lot better. Dude, I can't wait. Let's lower this puppy.
Ready?
Go ahead, dude. Do the honors. Good job putting in the locks.
What's that?
Never mind. Just go. What? Just go.
You talking shit?
I'm talking shit about your lip skills, dude. You're killing me.
Oh, I want to see the
what?
it's the anticipation.
The anticipation?
And then it's
Well, people don't give a fuck about your anticipation.
I don't give a fuck about the people. So.
Hey, watch your mouth, dude. I promise you it won't rub.
Promise.
Promise. Pinky, dude.
On camera. Pinky promise.
Dude, tell me you're gonna rub. Oh, tell me you're gonna rub. I want to see a sick happy dance right now.
Dude, that's
I want a sick happy dance.
Part 2, right now.
You're wild. Yeah, dude. Get it. Get it, dude. This is what I live for right here. Dude, it's simple as that, the vert light.
dude. It's nice.
This thing's looking sick as fuck, though.
Like no chance it's gonna.
Dude, it looks incredible. All right, guys, so it's the end of the night. The Jeep, man, it's coming out great. I cannot wait to get in the trails tomorrow. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be dropping the pan, taking the rear main out, and doing all that fun stuff. But Stonebag Devin, I knew you were gonna look. Let's go look at your car, dude. Are you stoked? Does it rub?
No, it's sick. No rub. Like I couldn't fit a pinky.
Where did you
in the
drive it?
back.
Just like around here?
Yeah. I was like,
So before, he had no clearance at all, and now you can almost fucking fist her. Like, dude, she's kind of loose.
A little bit.
What are we gonna do about that? More low?
Dude, it has to.
Dude, it
I mean,
looks
it's
so
not
good,
going
man.
higher.
I'm
We gotta
honestly,
fix the front.
I'm honestly so stoked for you. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. You want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. I actually just got in touch with a paint company. They approved the sponsorship, so later down the road, I don't know when they want to do this, we are going to be painting the Jeep, and I'm very excited to do that. We're gonna all DIY it, so it's gonna be very cool. Stay tuned for that, and I will see you tomorrow.